the weather's changing, so our skin is changing. It is not uncommon to need different products in the winter than you're used to using in the summer. With the weather change comes cracked skin, chapped lips, dry hands, dandruff, all of those things from head to toe. We have you covered. So if you're starting to notice problems with certain areas of the body because of the change in the climate, we can address it quickly. And it is very common to have to modify things from season to season. That's normal, and you get to figure it out after a while. You know, you decide like what's the right soap for you. You know, at this particular time of the quarter or season, it becomes second nature after a while. So don't hesitate to give us a call for your winter skincare consultation, and that way we can maintain your good, healthy, hydrated skin through the winter so that in the summer we don't have to catch up. Have a great day.